DOMINOX Propane Torch Head, reliable ignition and versatile functionality. The DOMINOX Propane Torch Head is a versatile and dependable tool designed to simplify various tasks, from soldering and welding to ignition and cooking. Here's what sets it apart and why it's an excellent choice for your needs. Reliable ignition mechanism. One of the standout features of the DOMINOX Propane Torch Head is its reliable ignition performance. After undergoing tens of thousands of experiments, it has proven to be a cut above most propane torches on the market. With the DOMINOX Torch Head, you can be confident that it will ignite successfully every time you press the trigger, ensuring you're not left frustrated with failed ignition attempts. Flame lock function. This torch head is designed with a convenient flame lock function. When you press the flame lock, it keeps the torch head spraying flames even after you release the trigger. This feature eliminates the need to hold the trigger for an extended period, making it more comfortable and user-friendly. Furthermore, the torch head is built to be sturdy and durable, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of various applications. Gas knob switch. Prior to ignition, you can turn on the gas switch and manually rotate it until it reaches its maximum state, providing protection for the ignition device. This feature is particularly useful during ignition, ensuring that the torch operates smoothly. The DOMINOX Propane Torch Head is suitable for welding copper pipes with a diameter of up to 3/4 inch, making it versatile for plumbing and other applications. Multipurpose propane torch. The DOMINOX Torch Head, which adopts the CGA 600 interface, is compatible with propane, MAP Pro, and MAP gas. This versatility makes it a go-to tool for a range of tasks, including welding, brassing, ignition, cooking, and even barbecue. Its lightweight design ensures it's easy to carry and handle, making it a practical addition to your toolkit. Tip: during transportation, the connection between the torch tube and handle may become loose. While this doesn't affect normal use, you can easily address it by using an Allen screw to tighten the connection between the spray gun head and handle. Be mindful not to apply excessive force during this process. In conclusion, the DOMINOX Propane Torch Head is a reliable and multifunctional tool designed to make your tasks more efficient and less frustrating. With its dependable ignition mechanism, flame lock function, and compatibility with various gases, it's a versatile addition to any toolbox. Whether you're a professional trad person or a DIY enthusiast, this torch head simplifies your work and ensures you can tackle a wide range of projects with ease. Experience reliable ignition and multipurpose use with the DOMINOX Propane Torch Head.